Of course, iti basis about iti board of judges tayo. We have the vocal quality, the musicianship, the Ilocano diction, and overall impact. But the most weighted part, we know that kadagsanan apo is the quality of the voice. Should be na vocalis, maawatan, dagiti lyrics na, and the rest of quality of a musician. And so, kadagiti karuba apo, ditang nalaing ako mansyon nga kaya't napay apo nga sumalimat, maudin apo nga week nga panagpaparehistro into no first week of January. So please see our staff dito apo IFM 98.5 dito apo nga to iti Monterrey. So OMA building ito'y Rizal Street, Cauayan City. And nagpartak nga talaga to oras ko na ni Ading Ella because ano langin nga ito. And damdama tayo kano i-announce. So let our visitors just be here. Observar dalatan na. Imbes nga dati may sabi yung contestant tayo kaya hindi nakita na ni Ading Rowena Munchang kay matras. Nakigtot. Hangad katagidi ka pa ng contestant nga nabuungan so ano di ni Ading Rowena naungat apo dito'y agaw audition dito. Anyway, may sabi apo nga klasiko nga folk song ititit mi kada kayo from Seals and Crofts.
Lost as a child first thought. I must have arms to hold me, lost without loving care. I must have my fair share. Fair is a changing word, but fair is an honor promise, just as if you're still there. I will have my fair share.
Ay, patak sa mo na son.
Just as if a lady lay me down with justice in a long white gown, with a breath of love we can share. As live with me if you dare, celebrate my fair share.
Apo kawan. And that is normal.
Fair is a changing word, but fair is an honor promise, just as if you're still there. I will have my fair share, just as if a lady lay me down with a justice in a long white gown, with a breath of love we can share. And live with me if you dare, celebrate my fair share.
Amo mismo nga kinantak ato, insinalang ko dating nga piyesa, orihanta na practice. Ngamin tikal man while we are having DJ brainstorming with Kabsat Alex Flores, one of the best musician I have met to Isabela. It's because dagiti musicians idi ugma during the time of 70s, 80s, and 90s katalagang pulido nga kumanta. They do a lot of practice and nagregate ag practice dito gumatang kapiti plaka. No, awanti source hanggang kasatata nga you have all the resources, internets, mabal mong ipasa ti Bluetooth, iti kanta naglaka nga practicean. But during our time, their time as early musicians, akat talaga nga gumatang katipla ka, when no tape, nga pa, dinggam, masapol mo nga effort nga talaga pagpipinasaan nyo di plaka, no? Let's say, for kayo di banda, we have the bassist, the drums, the lead, and the rhythm. Pagpipinasaan nyo di plaka. Bago yung ma-practice, bago yung makanta ti may sa kanta, dapat pulido. Kasatata nga, apo, magsinim, awanan ti practice.
Ako pa yung song hits, hindi?
At damutan, nangin natin song hits, edi 18 pesos kasi ti may isa. But then data, i-click mo lang dito internet and the DJ lyrics.
Chords, lyrics.
And dati may isang kanta nga dito, My Fair Share, kit narikit nga duet song. So nga, no mo practice, no na practice talaga kamalita. And that's the essence that DJ musicians, nalalaing DJ musicians edi rather than DJ musicians. Itata kasi naglalakad DJ kanta nga naputputar tatan. And songs of yesteryears have the deeper meaning nga talaga nga nauunag iti kay paano na ore very simple lang ako kanta nagmayat iti taray dagiti linaon dagiti lyrics na kasi dito sunatang ipakansyon ko kayong kabalong before we
what's that?
Before tayo break nagmayat iti before we may sapay nga kanta before nga break ta may sapay nga sunata nga nagpintas ticket nga sawan at talaga mat nga aglalo ka digitay adita abroad ating Ella and the rest of the FDD idikin ita nga makawawid ayo talaga nga naipaduyak-yak nga permi DJ Yarek na iti may nga singa kada iti linaon dato nga sonata. So John Mark,
another summer day is come and gone away in Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home.
Kaya't nang tiagawit.
No.
Yeah. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. I just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know.
I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you.
Yes.
Each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another aeroplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. Got to go home. Let me go home, 'cause I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home.
Maybe mabalin mo pa nga ikan iti a little bit husky. Ano kasla makaturturog ko to. Feeling kasla carpenters kasi. Okay. Sige.
And I feel just like I'm living in someone else's life.
That's it. Yeah.
It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. But this wasn't what your dream, but you always believe in me.
Mabalin ti babalo.
Another winter day has come and gone away, and even Paris and Rome, and I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by a million people, I still feel alone. Let me go home.
Yes.
Oh, miss you, you know. Let me go home. I've had my run, baby, I'm done. gotta go home. Gawid ako nung na tela. Let me go home. It will alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home.